Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today we're making sautéed basil rice. This is a very easy and delicious way to flavor up your rice. Let's get started. To start this recipe, we're going to heat up a pan over medium heat. Into the pan, I'm adding about 2 or 3 tablespoons of olive oil. I already went ahead and chopped up 1 medium onion. Once the oil has heated up, I'm going to toss in the onion. Next, I'm cooking the onion on medium heat for about 2 minutes. I want the onion to develop a caramelized golden brown color just like this. This is going to add so much flavor to the rice. Next, I'm going to add 2 cups of rice. I'm using jasmine rice. It's my favorite rice. I'm going to saute the rice for about 1.5 minutes, stirring continuously. When you saute the rice before adding any water, it develops a toasty, nutty aroma that adds so much flavor to the rice. Next, I'm going to add 3 cups of chicken broth. Stir everything together, then season with salt and pepper to your taste. Stir one more time. Then as soon as the rice comes to a simmer, place the lid on, then cook this for between 15 to 18 minutes. While the rice is cooking, we're going to prep the rest of the ingredients. I have a handful of fresh basil leaves here. I also have some dill and a lemon. I'm going to chop up the basil and the dill. Basil and dill go really well together. The basil is 1/3 cup when chopped, and the dill is 2 tablespoons when chopped. And we're only going to use about 1 tablespoon of the juice from that lemon. Once the rice is done cooking, all the onion is going to collect on the surface, so go ahead and mix it in. Then we're going to add 3 tablespoons of butter. I'm using salted butter. Next, add in the freshly chopped basil and dill, as well as the lemon juice. Toss everything together until the butter has melted into the rice and everything is mixed in very well. And that's about it, you guys. We are done. Very easy to put together and a delicious way to flavor up your rice. The rice came out very delicious and flavorful. The texture is so good. It's not overcooked or undercooked. I served it with some honey garlic steak bites. I'm going to post this steak recipe next week. Oh, and let me show you guys my favorite part of rice. It's the crusted, crunchy bottom. I love it. Anyways, if you guys would like to make this recipe, check the description box. I have all the ingredients and measurements there. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!